Ogbonge jubilation don tanda for Egor and Ikpoba-okha local government areas for Edo State as Governor Obaseki don commission correct street light for 3.6 km for the local government areas. Governor Obaseki, when he chook mouth with Tori people, talk say this light up Edo dey part of him commitment to Edo people.
For us as a government, this is part of our commitment to our people that we must light up Edo. This is a government of light, and when light comes, darkness goes. We are constructing about 200 kilometers of street lights around the greater Benin area over the next 12 months. As you know, we've already done about 40. We're extending that across the entire Benin metropolitan area. So this project you see today will take us to Teacher's House, and the next phase will take us to Channel 55. And by the grace of God, before I leave office, I'm hoping that I will take this line right through Igor to Okada.
For maintenance strategy of the street light, Governor Obaseki talks say,
we have changed strategy. These bulbs you see here have 5 years warranty on them. And we have a maintenance arrangement that will go around almost on a weekly basis to make sure that the burnt out bulbs are changed. We don't expect that they would have to be changed for the next 3 to 5 years. What I would like to implore the people in this community of is that, please, this is your project, protect it. If you see any careless driver hit any of your pole, make sure you detain them and let them replace it before they go. We will not be here 24/7 to offer security and protection. It is your project. Please make sure you get the youths to guide. Let nobody vandalize these projects or take away the wires or any of the fuses. Please be on the alert. Let nobody throw you back into darkness.
Governor Obaseki constantly talks for this dry season, better focus go dey for road matter.
As part of our strategies this dry season, we are going to be grading most of the earth roads in this local government and in every local government in the state. We know roads, internal roads are very bad, but you know we had a very, very long rainy season. In fact, today it still rained in Benin. This is middle of December. It never used to happen. So, but in spite of that, contractors have been mobilized from this holiday period through the end of this dry season. We'll make sure that most of the roads in Egor and almost all the local governments are motorable.
The traditional leader for Ogida, Chief Ogida of Evogida, chook mouth on behalf of the community.
We've been in darkness for many years. Now we have light. First of all, we have insecurity problem in the country. The lighting of the streets will definitely help the security crisis in the community to be solved. It has been solved 30% because motorists, people who live in the community, will now be able to see light to transact their businesses. So we are very grateful to you, Your Excellency. And I've been saying this post for about a year. And I've been wondering, when will it come to light? Finally, it has come to light. And you are our light. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Leaders for Ikpoba-okha local government constitute mount.
Your Excellency, sir, we are humbled to receive you. This is the heartbeat of Ikpoba-okha, Ward 6. It's not by mistake. Your name is coming to play for us because before God created the world, they said there was darkness and void. That is where we are in Nigeria. And God said, let there be light. And you are coming here to symbolize it, to actualize it, to bring light to the heartbeat. Ikpoba-okha was 6. So that this light we are going to commission permeate the whole country. And by this your singular act, we will rescue Nigeria. We are very grateful for what you have done for Ward 6 and Ikpoba-okha local government. God will reward you. For what you have done for us, we know you are going to do more.
That's where I pray that we pull on my time and go. The governor when I come one year, or when Natasha, a senator, okay, supervisor that work, the immediate creating of all the earth road, Nore, Ikikin and Egor, they have been approved for grading.
It's my pleasure to do that. I must say this, that from my own end, I see you as probably one of the best performing governors this state has ever had. I say it without missing words. I thank you for what you have come to do tonight. Sir, you must do more of this. There are so many projects that you have done in my local government area, for example, but you have not come to commission any of them. This is probably the first time you are coming to a local government area to commission a project. Please do more of this. God bless you, sir.
Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Electricity, Engineer Victor Obano, come break down everything when they involve for the street lights.
It's our project and initiative of His Excellency, Mr. Governor. And of course, the project we are looking at today is an extension of integrated power project, which of course is an independent source of electricity other than BEDC. It is first in Bender, it is first in Edo State, and of course Edo State is one of the foremost states in Nigeria to pioneer an initiative of independent power project. And as we speak today, by the grace of God, Siloko Road happened to be a star beneficiary, having had an extension of 3 kilometer project spanning from Ring Road through Ubodu filling station down through to Teacher's House. And the project, by the grace of God, is fully completed at the level of the IPP, which is integrated power project, carrying 11 kV single circuit through all these houses. And I want to assure you that this initiative of Mr. Governor is an uninterrupted power supply. And before you know it, it is going to expand the socio-economic frontiers and boost security as far as local discourse. So there are 2 projects to be commissioned here today. One is the IPP. The second project to be commissioned is the street light. The street light, of course, complementing the IPP, will also span, by the grace of God, from Obodo filling station right down to the market. But the houses we are commissioning today is first phase of the project, which ends at Teacher's House. So, by the grace of God, we're grateful to Mr. Governor for this laudable initiative.
People went and down Mr. Governor for this commissioning. Now, Secretary to Edo State Government, Osaudion Oge Esquire, PDP Senatorial Candidate for Edo South Senatorial District, Matthew Dore Ekeme, traditional leaders and others. Omo Aluke at Jakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC never be a power. No sell and give any politicians on election day.